How to fix Monopoly Go app error problem on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. Whenever you're trying to open up the Monopoly Go app and you're facing this issue, then I'm going to show you a few ways on how you can fix this. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings and tap on connections. Once you're here, if you have turned on the flight mode, make sure to turn it off. Then tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. Make sure you have set this to LTE 3G or 2G auto connect. Now tap on access point names. Here you want to tap on these three dots, then tap on reset to default. From here tap on the reset button to reset your APN settings. Once you have done that, head back. Now you want to tap on apps. From here, simply find Monopoly Go. Then you want to tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete option to delete all of this app's data. Once you have done that, now let's try to open up the Monopoly Go app again. And now, as you can see, the issue has been resolved and you are able to open the Monopoly Go app on your Android device. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.